So, you want to learn web development? Nice. Imagine it like joining the Avengers for the first time. Everyone's shouting about their favorite weapon. Thor says use his hammer. React. Iron Man's showing off his suit. Next.js. And Hulk is smashing random JavaScript frameworks. It's noisy and confusing. And you don't even know where to start. But here's the truth. Learning web development isn't actually that hard. What makes it feel hard is all the distractions. The moment you start with HTML and CSS, someone online will tell you that you must learn 10 more different things before you consider yourself a developer. But that's not true. The real start is simple. Learn HTML, CSS and basic JavaScript. That's your foundation. Build small things. A basic web page about yourself, a calculator or a to-do list app. Don't worry if it looks ugly. Everyone's first project will be bad. That's normal. Once you got some practice, move to one framework. Just one. React is the most common choice, so start there. Learn how to split your code into components, how to manage state, and how to make your page respond when someone clicks a button. Also learn enough CSS to make your website look clean, not like some random picked colors. Then get your projects online. Use something like Netlify or Vercel. The first time you see your own website live with a real link, it's like your first Iron Man suit lighting up. That feeling is worth all the effort. Now a few traps to avoid. If you have watched 20 videos but still haven't built anything, you're stuck. Start coding on your own. Don't look at people who have been coding for 10 years and feel bad. Stick to your journey. Every month a new hot framework shows up. Ignore it. Learn the basics first. Finally, be consistent. You don't need to code every single day, but practice regularly. You'll copy code you don't fully understand. You'll mess up layouts and your buttons won't center. That's all part of the process. Every developer has gone through that. The point is, web development is learnable. You're not late. You're not behind. Just start building, keep improving, and little by little you'll get there.